Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. Some time ago at work I was wondering how I can set more bass in Windows to make listening to music with headphones even more fun. That's why I want to show you how to increase bass in Windows 10. It's quite simple. In Windows we open the search in our taskbar and we enter Sound Settings. We click on this, select the Sound Control panel and now our speakers. On your computer it should say speakers. Mine have a different name due to a different language. So we select the speakers and go to Properties. Now we have to switch to the Enhancements tab and enable the bass boost by checking the box and go to the Settings at the bottom. Here you can choose the values freely. I recommend a frequency of 50 Hz and a bass boost level of 15. If we are satisfied with these options, we click on OK and Apply, and we are done. That's how easy it is to adjust the bass boost in Windows 10. If you have problems because you can't find the Enhancements tab, I'll link you an appropriate tutorial in the video description. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.